Ako po si Don De Rellora, taga Molino, Bacoor, Imus, Cavite area. At ako po ay nag-mission sa Philippines Angeles Mission noong 2001 to 2003. Ever since, I always had that desire to be a missionary when I grew up. I cannot think of a time na nawala yung sabi ko na ayokong mag-mission. It's always been like that. Nandun palagi yung desire ko. At of course, it was cultivated by my parents sa bahay and sa church as I participate. And napalakas na reinforce na lang siya with my spiritual experiences. Attending seminary, participating in youth activities, tapos listening to testimonies, to teachings, to inspiration from the leaders, from the returned missionaries. So talagang from a desire talagang incrementally na solidify siya into a firm decision na yes, I will be a missionary when I turn 19. Ang pinaka main factor talaga sa preparation ko is yung pagbabasa ko ng Book of Mormon. So dahil doon ako nagkaroon ng testimony kay Jesus Christ, doon ko nalaman na si Prophet Joseph ay propeta ng Diyos at totoo ang simbahan. At syempre, unang-unang bagay na nag-prevent sa akin is yung college education. So kasi ang expectation is kailangan tapusin muna yung college, mag-graduate muna ng college. So it really created yung doubt sa aking puso. Pero syempre, mas nangingibabaw yung pananampalataya kay Jesucristo na napalitan yung aking doubt ng pananampalataya ko kay Jesucristo na everything will be okay. I just need to trust in Him and have hope that if I do His will, magiging okay din naman lahat. Maraming mga times na the family is really progressing, tapos all of a sudden pupunta kami sa bahay nila, hindi sumasagot, tapos nakita namin yung Book of Mormon, nasa trash ka na lang sa labas. So, pero yung mga moments na yon that really brought me closer to my Savior Jesus Christ. I really had to rely sa Kanyang strength, sa Kanyang power para magawa yung pinapagawa niya sa akin in my mission. At para magkaroon ako ng kaligayahan, ng joy as we do His work. My message for the rising generation, for the youth and the YSA of the church, don't wait. The Lord is calling you to serve. He is calling you to go on a mission at this exact time. And I know that you know it. Growing up in the church or participating in church activities, I know that you have that desire and that you've made that decision. Alam ko may mga takot, may mga pangamba sa inyong puso na pumipigil sa inyo na mag-serve, mag-apply na ng inyong mission application. But katulad ng FSY team ng 2025, sa Doctrine and Covenants section 6 verse 36, sabi niya, "Look unto me in every thought, doubt not, fear not." So yung mga pangamba mo, yung mga takot mo, with your faith in our Savior Jesus Christ, maaalis nun yung mga pangamba. And with the love of your Savior Jesus Christ for you, maaalis nun yung takot. And as you act in faith, knowing na may pinapagawa sa iyo ang Panginoon, na ikaw lamang yung makakagawa. May naghihintay sa iyo sa mission field na souls na ikaw lamang makaka-reach. And you will know that kapag nasa mission field ka na. You will know, you will visit a house, you will meet a person that feels very familiar. It feels that naging close na kayo before. It feels that this is special. Meron kayong special connection. And that can only happen if you will act in faith. If you look to Christ and tell Him, "Yes, Lord, I will go and I will serve."